Ethernet has been used in industrial plant settings for decades for communication between PCs, PLCs, and HMIs, as well as to various devices and servo drives on the plant floor through variants such as Ethernet IP and Profinet. Single-pair Ethernet, or SPE, is a new communication standard for factory, process, and building automation. Industrial automation suppliers like TE Connectivity are developing products that support SPE, and these new innovative products will begin to arrive on the market very soon. SPE is a communication infrastructure that is well suited for and will enable the more rapid deployment of integrated strategies, such as the Industrial Internet of Things, or IIoT. IEEE 802.3cg and IEEE 802.3bp are a couple of the single-pair Ethernet standards that support network speeds up to 1 gigabit per second and support for multi-drop topologies. SPE will allow Ethernet communications and power to be delivered to devices through a single cable configuration. This means IP communication can be brought down to the lowest automation level, offering full transparency from sensors and actuators all the way up to the cloud. Other benefits of single-pair Ethernet include reduced wiring costs, reduced node costs, reduced power consumption, and data communications via a single pair of wires. Automation suppliers, such as TE Connectivity, are engineering and providing new cable and connector configurations to support this new protocol. Standards IEC 63171-6 and IEC 63171-7 have been developed for SPE to ensure interconnectivity between SPE devices. When deployed, SPE will offer a substitution pathway for upgrading legacy field bus systems with low-cost cables, integrated device power, and a choice of data topologies. RealPARS and TE Connectivity are teaming up to bring a comprehensive course on single-pair Ethernet to the realpars.com learning platform. This course will provide an in-depth look at the Ethernet communication protocol and how information is transmitted from sender to receiver. We will cover how Ethernet networks have traditionally been constructed, and some of the advantages and limitations Ethernet has in industrial automation networking. The OSI communication model, packet encoding, and message transmission and delivery will be covered, showing how levels above the physical and data link layers are substantially unchanged in SPE. The course will then take a deep dive into the IEEE 802.3cg and IEEE 802.3bp standards, and how they provide the groundwork for a physical layer that allows for multiple topologies to deliver data and power not only to PCs, PLCs, and motor drives, but also to sensors and devices on the plant floor. This will enable single-pair Ethernet to be used at all layers of the automation system, allowing SPE to be the only communication protocol required in the plant. No more gateways, differing cable and connector types, or data translation and mapping tables. So how does this data reliably get transmitted throughout the plant? The IEC 63171 standards for cable connectors will help ensure compatibility between sensors and cabling systems for single-pair Ethernet. TE Connectivity and other vendors are working together on this IEC standard to support interconnectivity and to give manufacturers the assurance that their SPE systems will work the first time and long into the future. In this new course, several case studies will also be presented. The use of SPE in process automation from level 4 down to level 0 will be demonstrated, using various topologies to deliver power and data to sensors, plant floor devices, computing nodes, and logic processors. An upgrade path from Foundation Field Bus, Profibus PA, and other two-wire networks to single-pair Ethernet will be covered, demonstrating the additional power of SPE. The future of process automation will be shown through case studies centered around robotics, operator-assisted cobots, and automated guided vehicles operating on an integrated SPE network. Never before have automation engineers been able to configure, monitor, control, and maintain all devices in a plant using a single network. We hope you'll join TE Connectivity and RealPARS in experiencing the future of automation through our course in single-pair Ethernet. Whether you're a technician, a new automation engineer, or a seasoned professional, you'll benefit from this opportunity to learn about this new innovative technology.